Welcome to this video titled TextCortex AI Review, Usage Experience. If you're searching for an AI writing assistant that delivers precision and creativity, you're in the right place. Links to the product are included in the description for easy access. Let's break down its features, ideal users, and overall performance. TextCortex AI is an advanced writing tool designed for content creators, marketers, and professionals seeking to generate high-quality written content efficiently. It specializes in creating engaging blog posts, email campaigns, product descriptions, and social media captions, among other formats. Its AI-powered algorithms focus on generating contextually relevant, grammatically correct, and engaging content tailored to your needs. One of its standout features is the contextual content generation, which allows you to input a few lines or prompts, and the AI takes care of producing detailed, coherent, and polished text. Whether you need long-form articles or quick snippets, the platform adjusts its output based on your input. Another notable feature is the tone customization option, enabling you to choose between formal, casual, or even humorous tones to match your target audience. TextCortex AI also offers an editing assistant, which refines existing content by improving grammar, structure, and clarity, while maintaining your unique voice. Additionally, its multi-language support makes it a versatile tool for businesses targeting global audiences. The interface is user-friendly, designed for both beginners and experienced professionals, with a clean layout and easy navigation. For marketers, the SEO-optimized content suggestions are a big plus. TextCortex AI recommends keywords and phrasing adjustments to enhance your visibility on search engines, making it a one-stop shop for creating both impactful and optimized content. Its integration capabilities with tools like WordPress, Google Docs, and Shopify further enhance its usability. While TextCortex AI delivers impressive results, its subscription pricing may be a consideration for smaller budgets. However, the value it offers in terms of time saved and quality content created makes it a worthwhile investment. In conclusion, TextCortex AI is a reliable and versatile writing assistant that caters to a broad range of content needs. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details and see how it can elevate your content creation process. Thank you for watching.